out there as we have had quite a weekend here as far as the heat goes.
Yeah, sure. It's been hot and it's been dry, especially here in the valley. There's been a few locations that actually had some very light rain today here in the valley, but most of that moisture has been in central and eastern Oregon. We were discussing that cluster of thunderstorm activity earlier. It started in southern Oregon and has kind of traveled through the state in segments. Now, most of that action is up in areas of Washington, and also they're seeing some lightning there over the Olympic Peninsula and some of the water there to the west. Here's again is a closer look at that as it moved and traveled to the north. Notice some stronger wind there off the Oregon coast, but again, really not much occurring west of the Cascades for today. We did have that little line of precipitation there earlier in the day, but it just kind of fell apart once it reached closer locations to Portland. Where is that moisture coming from? Well, we actually had Tropical Storm Fausto down to the south there, now a tropical depression, which was ushering in some of that moisture. And then we have Tropical Storm Genevieve here, which is going to be traveling this direction over the course of the week. And by the time we get to about Wednesday or Thursday, it's going to be kind of situated in a very similar location. At that point in time, we have a little disturbance moving in Thursday into Friday. We'll see if it offers a little bit of moisture for us at that juncture of the week. Notice that the precipitable water is also showing that little ribbon there, but a lot of moisture to the south to work in the tropics of the eastern Pacific. And we'll see by the time we get into later in the week if we could kind of connect to that as what we are doing right now. All right, 80 degrees in Portland, still pretty mild as of a little bit after 10 p.m. We'll cool down to the 70s, eventually into the 60s, probably the mid 60s, lower 60s by early tomorrow morning. There's all that heat, and I mean heat. I mean, Roseburg yesterday at 109, Death Valley today hit 130 degrees, the warmest day temperature in August for that location. Monday, here we go, we're still tapped into that heat. That's why we'll see another day in the 90s. But then again, by Thursday, we start seeing this cooler air trying to work its way on in, and that may bring in a little bit of moisture on Friday. And again, we'll watch if Genevieve can maybe help us out a little bit at that point in time. Something to look forward to. All right, so Futurecast here as we go through our Monday, dry for the morning hours, but watch behind me here as we see some more thunderstorm activity there for the afternoon. But this should be leaning a little further to the east than what we had seen today, but we may clip some of those counties there in central Oregon as we go into tomorrow afternoon. All right, 7-day forecast, have sunshine again, 92 degrees, 89 degrees on Tuesday, very close to 90 degrees. We may hit it. 86 on Wednesday, 85 on Thursday. We do cool down, you could say a little bit by the time we get to Friday. Notice, Wayne, not really any rain in the forecast, just a nice summer August week.
Yeah, it looks like a pretty nice week there. We'll take that. All right, still ahead.